Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about KNIME, a platform for data analysis. So without further ado, let's begin. First, here's the table of contents. First, we'll be talking about what is KNIME. After that, I'll be covering nodes and workflows, two important elements of KNIME. Next, I'll be talking about node statuses and finally wrap up with some questions. So what is KNIME? To start with, KNIME stands for the Constant Information Miner. KNIME is free and open source, meaning anyone can download and use it for free. And of course, KNIME is mainly used for data analytics. Unlike traditional code, KNIME allows you to build your programs by drag and drop using blocks called nodes. We create a workflow. So what are nodes? In KNIME, individual tasks are represented by nodes. You can drag and drop nodes to your canvas to include them in your code or workflow. To connect nodes, you can simply drag an arrow from one node to another, which represents data flow. Even though KNIME does not mainly use code, you can add code into certain nodes to make them perform certain tasks. Examples of functions that nodes can do include plotting charts and importing data from files. Workflows are simply a combination of nodes, something like the complete program in coding. Now, let's move on to node statuses. At the bottom of every node, there will be a traffic light. Each traffic light represents the status of the node. A red light represents an unconfigured node, a yellow one represents a configured node, and a green light represents a successfully executed node. If there's a tiny red cross appearing next to a red light, it tells you that the node is configured but ran into an error and cannot be executed. Here's a table to show you what is the status of the nodes. Now, let's wrap up with some questions. As usual, I'll stop talking so you can answer them. Now, I'll be talking about the answers. For the first question, the answer is nodes, as you can drag and drop them into KNIME to code. The answer to the second question is 0, as KNIME is free and open source. The answer for the final question, the red light represents an unconfigured node. Now, we've come to the end of the video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.